Hello students, today we are going to discuss the next topic of lesson 3rd, that is molecular mass. What is molecular mass? Molecular mass, it is relative mass of its molecule as compared to the mass of an atom of carbon 12. In other words, we can say molecular mass expresses as to how many times a molecule of a substance is heavier than 1/12 of the mass of an atom of carbon 12. It is also just like the atomic masses. So now we will discuss how can we calculate the molecular mass. It can be calculated as the sum of the atomic masses of all atoms in a molecule of that substance. In case of ammonia, we will find the molecular mass of ammonia, NH3. We know it consists of 1 atom of nitrogen and 3 atoms of hydrogen. The atomic mass of nitrogen is 14 and atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. To find out the molecular mass of any molecule, we have to multiply the atomic mass of that given element into number of atoms plus number of atoms of another element and into atomic mass of another element, and if more than 2 is present then you can add so and so on. So atomic mass, we know atomic mass of nitrogen is 14. So we have filled here, and number of atom of nitrogen is 1, so we will write only 14 here. Number of atoms of hydrogen are 3 and into atomic mass of hydrogen, and we will get the molecular mass of ammonia, that is 17U. Next we will find the molecular mass of sulfuric acid. So in this case we know 2 number of atoms of hydrogen are present and into atomic mass of hydrogen plus number of atoms of sulfur and atomic mass of sulfur. Next is a number of atoms of oxygen into atomic mass of oxygen. So number of atoms, we know 2 of hydrogen are present, into atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. Atomic mass of number of atoms of sulfur are 1 and into atomic mass of sulfur, that is 32, plus 4 is the number of atoms of oxygen into 16 is the atomic mass of oxygen. So we will get, after calculation we will get 98U, that is a molecular mass of sulfuric acid. Next is the formula unit mass. Some compounds containing ions, called ionic compounds, do not contain discrete molecules. In these compounds we call formula unit, which gives a simple ratio between various atoms present in the compound. For these we use the term formula unit mass instead of molecular mass. So how can we define it and how can we calculate it? We can calculate it by the sum of atomic masses of all atoms in a formula unit of the compound. For example, sodium chloride. We know sodium has positive ion, chlorine has negative ion, so it is a ionic compound. So for its calculation we will use formula unit mass. So how can we calculate formula unit mass? It's same as a molecular mass. So atomic mass of sodium and number of atoms, we can say number of atoms of sodium is 1 into atomic mass of sodium. Sodium is, and next is the atomic mass of chlorine into number of atoms. Here 1 is, so that's why I have not written here, both containing 1 number of atoms, so not written here, equal to, so we will get atomic mass of sodium is 23 and atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5, and we will add, we will get 58.5 U. This is a formula unit mass. So students, that's it for now. We will discuss next topic in next video.